In this video, I'll show you how you can fix blurry text fonts on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first thing we want to do is right click on our desktop, go to display settings, and from in here you want to make sure your scale and your display resolution is on the recommended one. Now 100% is recommended for me, yours might be different, but choose the recommended one on both of these. Once you've done that, check if it's working. If it's still not working, what you can do is come down here and search for clear type and do the adjust clear type text. Make sure you turn this on by clicking on this, go next, and in here you want to choose the text that looks best for you. Now this one is for me, this one is for me, this one I like, and this one I like. So simply choose the ones that you like the most. If I chose this one, my text would be a little darker, but I like this one up here. So I'm gonna choose next and then press finish, and it's gonna ask for admin. So I'm just gonna click yes. After that, it should hopefully look better. If it still doesn't work better, what you can do is you can come down here and you can search for run. In run, search for sysdm.cpl, press enter. From in here, head to advanced, performance, choose settings. And in here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that smooth edges of screen fonts is turned on. Now the other ones you can just mess with and choose whatever you want, but make sure this one is turned on, apply and click OK. Now after you've done that, it should hopefully look better and fix your problem. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.